Pasan yung kami, bakbaka na! Ito yung Rangers na 24 kagad ang pupukan ng dalawang kuhit ng good for 2 points by Desina. Kakataon yan, Jeremias ngayon, ibibigay. And once again, Escote, 1 na 2 points. Nasa kote kagad yung dalawang kuhit na yun for Escote. Lucky, ibibigay. Ngunit sa pagkakataon yan, meron kagad na ipito sa ref. Last 5 minutes 29 sa pagbubukas. Lucky, ibibigay. Mananakawan itong malaking mama. Katarang Burano Rangers number 69 ay pinakamagandang numero sa lahat ng lalaro. Lucky ngayon magtisimod ang Lucky. Hanapin ang katuwang. On the way, lumipad na nga naman. 2 points! Shall we para top Hermias, that's no. Maganda namin center lane. And here we go po Lucky. Hanap na katuwang. Sa pagkakataong yan, shot clock natin down to 16. Agawang pakwan, Lucky para makakuha. Last 13. Asuki, hahanapin itong on the way sa ilalim, that's 2 points. Pag-uhit, Hermias ngayon, ibibigay sa Escote. Escote, wala na expect, makikita mo kasi itong Birano sa ilalim. Last 4 minutes, shot clock, nothing, not 14. Eh, once again, Lucky, nakita mo kasi ang Asuki. Asuki ngayon, ibibigay sa Dilas Reyes. What a nice drop! Ang ganda naman, that's good for 2 points. Nakakanako pa itong Dilas Reyes, last 4 minutes, eh, shot clock natin mga bossing. Nakakanako na mo na sa pagkakataon yan. And here we go, Lucky ngayon, counted! And once again, sa pagbirata, meron nga. Oh, we do sa number 16 and time out. Eh, yung mga bata, labas mo na ng court kapag may naglalaro. Lucky for the bonus shot, that's good for 1 and good for 3 points. Birano nga magtitimon, hahanapin ang katuwang itong Armisa ngayon, shot clock natin, down to 10. And shot clock mga bossing, down to 8. On the way by Birano, that's not connected. Itong Escote makakuha, Birano pa rin. On the way, counted. Last 31. Also in, all with jersey number 12. And for the shirt. That's good. Pakiaga, mag-receive with jersey number 04. So subukan itong Valencia. And here we go. Last drop to shoot. And ito shoot, Armesa, ibibigay sa Escote. Yan nga lang, hindi nga lang nagpuhog ng Escote sa libreng linya ating titignan. And full shot, may kaga po, swak na swak for Escote. Last 27. That's not connected for pagkakataong yan. Asuki ngayon. Manip na. Double dribble and substitution rep. Hermias ngayon. Shot clock natin. Down to 15. Inilalim pa nito Birano. That's good for 2 points. Ano siya number 5. Ibibigay. On the way by Desena. 2 points by Desena. Score pa natin 9-13. That's good for 2 points by Hermias. Moving 30. Hermias mananakaw ng Alpaz. And on the way, Asuki. That's 2 points. Asuki 18. Birano ngayon, sakit ka ang kukuyog. That's good for 2 points. Lucky magtitimon, ibibigay. Alpaz for the 2 points, that's unconnected. Last 2 minutes. Alpaz pa rin, that's good for 2 points. Hermias ngayon, para nice pass. Good traveling violation. Asuki sa ilalim. Last 2 minutes and 95. On in front of the point, that's all. Hermias, what a nice move, 2 points. Alpas to Blackie, last 1 minute and 15. And there we go, konti ngayon. Ibabalik sa Blackie, from the top of the key, touchdown. Escote ngayon, 1 minute. Berano, what a nice pass to Hermias. Ang Hermias, ibabalik, what a nice goal. Ang ganda nun, 2 points. Last, inlock po tayo, 17. Last 45 second. Last 43, and shot clock natin mga bossing. And once again, last 38 second, last 37 second. Berano ngayon, ibibigay si Hermias. Yun na nga po, nakuha na yung kalamangan. 25. Shot clock natin, last 17. Last 20, on time. Last shot clock, 12. For the remaining time and 10 to shoot for the shot clock. Last 13, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Score po natin 21-17. Team ng Miranos Farm ibibigay, and here we go, shot clock natin bossing, pumapatak, showing that's not connected. Azuki, wireless pass to Blackie, that's 2 points. Hermias ngayon, shot clock natin down to 10. Last 8, on the way for 3 points. That's good for 3 points by Orbeso. And last 5 minutes in 12. Last 5 minutes in 8. And for that situation, blocking here, nakita, ito nga, kasama, ngunit, shot clock down to 6, 2 points. And here we go for the second quarter. Armeza na naman from the deep range. Yun na nga po, back to back 3. Miranos Farm. Joel Lubino ngayon, ibibigay sa Blackie. Ang Blackie, wala nice acrobat pass. Shot clock natin down. That's counted a phone shot. On the ball jersey number 08. Good ball shot. That is second personal foul by Scotty. And positive foul. I say na. On the shot, that's correct. Berano ay makakuha sa pagkakataong yan. Last 4 minutes and 24 seconds. And once again for the long pass. Armeza, 2 points. Time out! 23. In favor of team ng Miranos Farm. Last one, ibibigay sa Azuki. From the deep range. That's now. Nakakuha nitong Escote. Hermias, galbay takat na nitong Hermias. Well, yung sinabay 35 Hermias. Ibibigay sa win sa number 15 to Berano from the long 2. That's now with the putback 2 points for Mesa. Lucky from the long bomb. No. Ibon itong Berano. Berano, long pass to Armeza na naman. For the back to back. No. Agawa pakwan. One nice pass. 2 points. Ese na. That's 2 points. Metros Reyes. And here we go to the scout.
Wala sila sa baba agad. Kapanda magbaba yung isa.
Last 3 minutes 15. On the shot, that's good. That's good for 3 points. 6-25 in favor team ng Miranos Farm. Blocking yun, ibibigay Conde from the top of the remote. 3 points. Hermias from the long bomb gagante. That's not connected. Rebound by Delos Reyes. Baika nga po itong Delos Reyes. Matatrap sa pagkakata niya. Ibibigay kay Plucky. Ang Plucky ito Asuki. Asuki pull up jumper. That's not connected. Plucky pa rin. No. Itong konti ang makakuha sa pagkakataong yan. Plucky from the top. No. For the football. Timeout. 36-30. Favor din ng Miranos Farm. 6 na guhit na po yung inaabante. Center lane. Ibibigay dito kayo si Hermias. Medyo sa naman 35. Shot clock natin mga bossing. Down to 10. That's 2 points. Shoot. Asuki ngayon. Ang Asuki on the way by Asuki. That's 2 points. Last 2 minutes. And there we go, Hermias rather, that's the rebound. Alpas, last minute 42. Delos Reyes for the putback, that's 2. Hermias ngayon, ibibigay dito kay Soberano. Shot clock down to 12, that's 2 points. Second. Asuki ngayon may tangan-tangan. Ang Asuki, makikita mo kasi itong Alpas from the rim, look out 3. That's not corrected. Rebound Hermias. And from the long pass itong Armesa ngayon may tangan-tangan. Shot clock natin mga bossing down to 17. Delos Reyes ibibigay. Conde from the long bomb. That's all. Wait, meron lang nga lang sumabit sa pagkakataong yan. First shot that's connected for Desina. Second na lang po yung nalalapi. Last road for 2. 45 brother. Last 42. Hermias, shot clock, not to 15. From the rainbow, in and out. Last 35. Last 30. Magkakanak ng Hermias. That's 2 points. Last 25 seconds. What a nice shot. Abay ka nga po, hindi ko binigta. Last 13. And last 12. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Last with. And that's the end. 42-36 in favor ng Miranos Farm. Kabanata, itong Plucky from the rainbow, that's not connected. Itong Armesa ngayon, ibibigay. Merano, that's 2 points for Merano. Plucky ngayon, ibibigay sa Delos Reyes. Delos Reyes, magtitimon, pull up jumper. That's good for 2 points. 38. Oras po natin, shot clock natin down to 12. And here we go, last 10. Delos Reyes for 2 points. Ang gandang side bintun bossing. Here we go, last 4 minutes, 44. Shot clock, 14. Hold for them. And there we go. Hermias sabay tangan-tangan ng Hermias. Toa. Maling siya ibibigay sa Scotting. Ngunit sa pagkakataon niya, mayroong napituhan. Dalabinin na second first ball. 4 na lang po yung abante. Nitong team ng Miranos Farm. Reduce number 8. And Chapels ready. That's good for 1. Dito ngayon, ibibigay showing all the way for 3 points. Paramdam, last 4 minutes in 7. Showing by Hermesa, that's not connected. Agawa Moko, Delos Reyes, sipping the ball. Ito nga, Plucky ngayon from the mid-range. That's all. Konti ang makakuha. Dilipino. Showing wala pa rin. Ang Dilipino wala pa rin sa pagkakatayan. Last 3 minutes 44. On the way, 2 balls, Pebirano. De Los Reyes, pull up. Ngunit meron ng sumabit.
Pagsasabay yung pa niya eh. Pero kung injury yun, dito tama yun. Inangat niya yung pa niya. Pagsabay, bagsak eh.
Timon. Ibigay sa Hermias. Hermias from the long bomb. That's no rebound, Birano. Ang Birano sa ilalim po po yung wala pa rin. Mega nga po, inaabot na ng alat itong Birano. Blocking ngayon, wow, nice move. Hindi pa rin uubra sa pagkakatang yan. Ang gawang pakwan, Hermias to Armeza. And here we go, Birano ngayon. Here we go, Armeza, 2 points. Pass. Hahanapin itong Dilipino. May ka nga po, blocking ngayon. That's 2 points by blocking. Birano, last minute in 22. Shot clock natin down to 12. Showing by Hermes. That's all. Rebound. Armisa counted. Osborne, over to see number 18. Every shot in substitution. Here we go, huli sa pagkakatayo ng konti, ang pakuhan Armeza. And dire-diretso kong Iskote, napalakas nga lang yung tapong yun. Traveling violation. Lagi, Tukote, Teplaki, what a nice pass, what a nice combination. That's good for 2 points. Last 138 seconds. Abay ka nga po, makakanako pa ang konti. Blocking ngayon may pagkakataon. What a nice move, what a nice shot, 2 points! Birano, ibibigay on the way, Berbias, 2 points, Berbias! Okay, last 1 minute 9. Alphas from the deep, that's all. Ang gawang pakwan. Abay ka nga po, Hermes Germano. Last 1 minute! Once again, Asuki pull up, that's not connected. Armeza, ibibigay sa Scotty to Armeza, that's 2 points. Last 47, 42. Last 38, shot clock natin, down to 15. And down to 13. And once again, down to 10. And once again showing, that's a connected rebound. Hermes. Last 26 seconds. Abay ka nga po, 23 seconds na lang. Hermes, 2 points. Last week, last 17. And once again, last 15. Last 13. Last 10. 9. 8. 7. 2 points. 5. 4. And outside of third quarter of this ball game. Score po natin 60-50. 10 guhit po yung kinaabante ng team ng Miralles Farm. Ang huling kabanata between Miralles Farm and that's 2 points for Riaz. Showing by Conte from the deep range, that's unconnected. Now 6 minutes in 35. Not so. Birano. May kaya po, pwede putbak. Meron ng sumawit sa pagkakataong yan. Birano. Point shot ating titingnan. Unang pagkabra ng isang guhit. Good for 1. Second shot mga bossing. Now 6 minutes in 28 seconds. And once again, pull up. That's unconnected. Los Reyes, Suarez, pass to Misera. That's all. Last 6 minutes 13. Good shot, that's not correct. Second shot that's connected. Hermias to Arbeza. Hermias. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 12. Blocking ngayon on the way by Blockett. Propose for Blockett. Last 5 minutes and 49. Para na ispa sa may kaya po, makakadako nga lang sa pagkakataon yan. Last 5 minutes and 39. And traveling violation po yan, bossing. Last 5 minutes and 30. And once again, shot clock, 15. Last 13. And natin ang makakanako po itong Blockett. Asukirado. Tapos, Monsuke. Green high honor. Suma. And here we go. Arbeza ngayon may tangan-tangan ng Arbeza. Shot clock, down to 14. And here we go. Down to 12. That's the good. Laki makakuha. Last 5 minutes exactly. And here we go. May kanga po. Blockett ngayon may tangan-tangan ng Blockett. Hahanapin ang konti from the top of the rainbow. That's top of the bang! 3 points! Blockett na naman to Kote. Kote step up from downtown. That's good for 3! Time out!
Lamang na bigla? Lamang na bigla? Dalawa na.
Ford. Last ball in 33 seconds. Umabante na po siya yung sumastahan sa pagkakataong yan. Arbeza ka naman tangat-tangan ng Arbeza mo. Ang hanap ng espasyo sa pagkakataong yan. Balik nga po. Shot lang natin na 16 o shoot. Pinapaklas. For last situation. 16 o shot clock. Last 16 o shot clock. Araw-abo ko sa pagkakataong yan. Shot clock natin down to 12. And 10, 9, 8, 7. Konti ka na may tangan-tangan itong konti. May strategy sa ilalim. 61-63. Last 4 minutes in 8. And once again, last 4 minutes. 61-63 pa tayo, bossing. Shot clock natin down to 5. That's unconnected. Last 2 minutes and 50. And oras pa natin, last 2 minutes and 50. Last 10, 9, 8. Last 3 minutes and 42. On the way, 2 points. Laki ngayon, ibibigay. Dilustrades pull-up jumper. That's bullseye. That's good for 2 points. Last 3 minutes and 23 seconds. 3 minutes and 23. 19, last 3 minutes and 18. Asuka tatanggap. Last 3 minutes and 16. And once again, last 18 to shoot. Last 3 minutes, shot clock natin down to 14. That's all. Last 3 minutes to 5. And here we go. Last 3 minutes. Lucky ngayon. Tuloy-tuloy ang Blockett. That's unconnected for the putback. 2 points. Deadlock po tayo. 65. Last 2 minutes and 45. Last 2 minutes and 43. Shot clock natin down to 18. Small game. Shot clock natin 18 na lang po yung nalalabi. Last 18 on the shot clock. 18 on shot clock. Last 2 minutes and 40. Last 2 minutes and 40 and 18 to shot clock. And once again, last 2 minutes and 35. Blockett magtitimon. Don't Dilustrades pull-up jumper. That's 2 points. Last 2 minutes and 25. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. On the way, 2 points. Last minute in 12. Last minute in 10. And there we go. Block it from the top of the rainbow. 4 points. Last 2 minutes. Biasa hanap ng butas, stat corrected. And for that situation, may nga po itong desena to Asuki. That's all. Last 1 minute and 46. Armeza, Topos, Barbosa. Last 1 minute and 37. May nga po, score pa natin 70-69. Yan na po yung ating binabaybay. Blocking and may tangan-tangan. Bibigay sa De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes ang kakada. Kada nakawan. And there we go. Ernesto. Ang kawapakuan. That's not corrected. Last 1 minute and 19. And there we go. Alpos from the Raimono. Ang kawapakuan. Nabaikan nga po ito nga. Last 1 minute and 10. Last 1 minute and 7. On the way. That's not good. One time out na lang po kayo. 4 seconds. Last 1 minute and 4 seconds. Nice shot, that's a correct end. Last 1 minute and 4. 69. And there we go, Birano. Last 1 minute and 2. May kagapis sa teknikan makpakan. And there we go, that's 2 points. May nga po, exact 5 punto, 1 minuto. Score po natin, 70-71. Shot clock, last 14. Last 50 seconds, shot clock, down to 12. And 10, 9, 8. Two shot. De Los Reyes, first shot not selected. Last 43 seconds. That's good. Deadlock po tayo. Deadlock mga bossing. Hermes ngayon. Ibibigay. Escote. 2 points. Last 30. 5 seconds. Last 33. Last 28. Ekan po tayo, last 27 seconds. First shot, that's not connected for Plucky. Last shot. And come out. Last 24 seconds. 14 shot clock, 24 seconds. 24 seconds on time. Last 22 shot clock, now to 10. Last 13 shot clock, 17, last 10. And once again, last 13 shot clock, 13 we shoot. That's good for 2, 11 seconds. 11 seconds po tayo. And once again, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And that's good. Upset na po yung Kalamangan. Congratulations po team.
Kinabahan din eh. Inord niya na lang yun?
74-75. Winner. Meranos Farm.
Parehas kayo may hawak ng vlog.